the beasts, the birds, and the bat. And now we are going to learn new words. Read together. Beast, bat, enemy, war, half, to take up one's mind, to take part, fighting, to decide, to join, winner, to win, won, as soon as, battle, to fly, flew, flown, to watch, to seem, immediately, to allow, danger, to become, became, become. Would you mind my joining you? To agree, to promise, to declare, to hide, hid, hidden, to appear. And now, let's read together. Once upon a time, the birds and the beasts were enemies, and war between them began. The bat was half bird, half beast, and he made up his mind not to take part in the fighting, and in this way to save his life. But secretly, he decided to join the winners as soon as it became clear which side was going to win. On the day of the battle, he flew up in the air, watching the birds attacking the beasts. It seemed that the birds were going to win, and so the bat went immediately to the side of the birds, asking to be allowed to join them. "I am a bird, as you see," he said, "and in this hour of danger, my place is with you to help in the fighting." However, he did not take part in the fighting, but went on watching the battle. Very soon, it became clear that the beasts were going to win, and he flew down to join them. "My body is very much like the body of a mouse, and I am in fact a beast. Would you mind my joining you?" The beasts agreed to take him, and he promised to be true to them. The battle went on for some time. The birds fought bravely, and at last they won a victory, and peace was declared. From that day on, the bat hides himself in caves because he is neither with the birds nor with the beasts, and is afraid of both. That is why he appears only at night, when all the birds and beasts are asleep. Надеюсь, вы поняли историю. Если что-то оказалось непонятным, вернитесь к словарю, просмотрите слова еще раз и заново прослушайте текст. Если нужно, вы можете замедлить скорость видео. And now, answer the questions. А теперь ответьте на вопросы. And here are some more questions. Okay, bye.